guys, welcome to my channel, Everything Martha Crafts and More. Hope everyone is gonna have a great weekend up ahead. Mother's Day coming up on Sunday. I want to wish all the moms a happy Mother's Day. I hope that it will be special and that you get to spend time with all of your kids, and that you're blessed in many ways. Anyway, so the other day I saw a practical solution on Facebook, and they had posted a picture of this. So this was not my idea, what I'm going to show you today. And so I thought, wow, I want to do that with my refrigerator, because refrigerators can get pretty nasty, right? Like things spill in there, and you got to come and take everything out and just, go back and forth to the sink with the cloth and put soap on it and rinse it, either that or bring a bucket full of water next to you. And so it could be a mess, and there's always some kind of spillage in the refrigerator. So I saw this picture of a great idea. It's not going to keep things from getting dirty, because there's always going to be spills, but I think it's just so much more practical, because you'll be able to take the things out from whatever spillage area you have, and then you'll see it's going to be a lot easier just to clean up. So I went ahead, and all you need is some placemats from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you how it looks and what I did. And the idea, whosever idea it was, I thought it was great, and it makes your refrigerator look nice too. And so I'm going to let you snoop through my dirty refrigerator. I'm going to show you, while I'm in there, stuff that I buy that I usually keep in my fridge. And maybe this idea will work for you as well, and you can go ahead and use it, because I think it's great. Anyway, it serves two purposes. It'll help you clean up faster if you spill something, and it just looks really nice. I really like the way that it looks. Anyway, so I want to thank you all in advance for watching my videos and for subscribing. Thank you so much for my new subscribers. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy my videos. That once again, I want to wish all the moms out there a very happy and blessed Mother's Day, and I will see you soon on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Here are the placemats that I bought at Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to open my fridge, and I want to give it a good cleaning. Look at what a mess it is, you guys. And you know how it is when you spill something here, something there. You get crumbs all over the shelves. So I'm going to take everything out and wipe it all down with a little soap and clean it all up really good. And as you can see, you guys, I'm still cleaning these shelves. They were really nasty. I haven't cleaned my refrigerator in a while, but I'm done now. They're all cleared, and I gave them a good scrub. So the only thing I left here is our little dog's insulin. And now I'm going to place the placemats on all the shelves. And I do want to buy a few more of the placemats, because I want to put them in the drawers as well, and wherever there is a gap between the two placemats. I do want to buy a few more, and let's see now how the food looks when I put everything back. And there it is, you guys. Let me show you what I have in my refrigerator. So I always have plenty of cold water, and some of this polar water, which is calorie free and really good, sparkling water. I have some tomato salsa and some marinara sauce. Back there I have some butter and margarine. I have heavy whipping cream, a chicken salad with cranberries that my husband enjoys. I see some raisins back there. I have a Panera soup, some apples, some yogurt. We have lots of yogurt, and that Yoplait orange cream yogurt is the bomb, you guys. If you haven't tried it, I really recommend it. It's delicious. I have some eggs, some apple juice, orange juice, soda back there. This is my favorite coffee creamer, the M&M's ones. Yummy, it's so good. I have some unsweetened almond milk, some reduced fat milk, egg whites, half and half. And I think that's it for the shelves. I did throw away some things that I had, which when I was cleaning, that I didn't want. And that's it. What do you think? I love the way it looks. Now if I spill something, all I have to do is remove what's on top of that placemat and just take the placemat to the sink and clean it. So let's see. Do you want to take a look at what my drawers contain? Okay, I'll show you, but I haven't cleaned those yet, so don't judge. Alright, so in this large drawer, I have all the deli meats and some cheese. I have also a couple of salad packs, which I really enjoy. And I have some shredded cheese back there. This is the bread drawer. And we have some keto bread. If you guys are trying to eat keto friendly, you should try this bread. It's really good. You can barely tell that it's keto friendly. It's by Arnold. And it's we have some bagels. I have some Pepperidge Farm low calorie oatmeal bread and some honey wheat bread back there. And this is the veggie drawer, and like I said, it's quite messy. I am gonna put the placemats in all these drawers, you guys. So I have green peppers and tomatoes and onions, and I have some lemons and some salad kits with the dressings, some carrots, and just lots of veggies in there. And that's about it, you guys. That's my last drawer, which I still have to organize, like I said, and I also have to organize the doors where I have the bottles with the ketchup and mustard. But that's it. Okay, you guys, so I went back to Dollar Tree and they were out of the same placemats that I had bought before. So I got these gray ones, which I think they look really nice. I have the gray carpets in front of the appliances, and the stainless steel looks really good with this gray and white. So I went ahead and emptied out all the drawers. There's my bread drawer. I went ahead and cleaned it really well and placed the placemat in there. The drawer of the cold cuts it was really dirty. There was little pieces of grated cheese all over the place. And so I emptied that out, and this drawer took 3 placemats. And what I did do was I didn't glue the placemats to the refrigerator, but I glued them to each other so they wouldn't move around. And I think that turned out really nice. And then lastly, the vegetable drawer. This one, like I said, was really messy and gross. So I went ahead and cleaned that one really good also. And look how nice it looks with the placemat. I really do like the way that it turned out. And this is my refrigerator now. I did place the one in the center there so there wouldn't be any spaces. And here it is. Look how it turned out, you guys. I put the lemons in I put the lemons in a Ziploc. I have a garlic, some green pepper, tomatoes. That right there is a root vegetable. I don't know if you guys have tried it. It's called malanga. It's really good. It's almost like potato, but it tastes a little differently. There I have a whole bunch of salad dressing packets, and I have an orange and some carrots and all the veggies. So this drawer, I really like the way that it turned out as well. I'm really happy with this idea with the placemats. I like it. I think it's nice. I think it's going to help me keep my refrigerator clean, and it's going to be easier to clean when I spill something. So let me know if you try it. Let me know if you liked the way that it turned out. I want to thank whoever that was that posted this on Facebook for the idea. And oh, by the way, this is my favorite Bible verse. It's Isaiah 54:17. Thank you for watching, you guys. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.